Hello, I hope you had a wonderful weekend, and I'm so excited to tell you about Inspira Mannington. This was the former Salem Memorial, and we have had purchased it in December, and we now have fully integrated it into the entire Inspira system, and you will see the new signage and all of the excitement. We really appreciate the tremendous work the team has done. I'm so excited about all of the changes that we've already made, and I know there's only good things to come. In addition, we have the Family Fun Fest. Say that 3 times fast. In October, it's the 28th of October, and obviously we focus our attention on really making sure that we have the wellness activities, the screening activities, all of those things out there to help really promote health and wellness, but also just for the parents. Hugh Douglas will be there from the Eagles to sign autographs and spend some time, so I know that's a great time to be there. I'll look forward to seeing you. It's 11 to 2 again on October 28th, and I'll hope you'll be able to join us. So I'm also thrilled to tell you about a wonderful accomplishment of our pharmacy team in Mullica Hill. They have received the Vigi Award, which stands for the vigilance that they have put into really making sure that we are doing absolutely everything to protect you and also to learn from the things that do happen. Their specific submission was on the work that they had done in reference to adverse drug events and the lessons that they've learned from that. And it's just an example of how we continue to want to make sure that we are doing everything possible to provide the absolute safest care, and at the same time really creating opportunities for our pharmacists to demonstrate their role in the entire multidisciplinary team. So I want to congratulate them, and I want to use it as an example to reassure you of the great work that we're doing every single day to provide that safest care we possibly can for you. Speaking of awards, our oncology physicians were named in the top docs, and I'm so very proud of them. You see their names on the screen above, and it really is a recognition of the tremendous work they've done with their patients and also in improving cancer care. I really want to thank them for the great work that they do each and every day, and that really is a great segue to tell you about the story of Rebecca Baker. Rebecca got one of our solicitations in the mail that talks about the importance of receiving your mammogram, and it really motivated her to do a self-exam. Sure enough, that morning when she did her self-exam, she felt a lump and immediately called her physician, Dr. Stiefel, who had been a longtime family physician. He was able to squeeze her in that day, and sure enough, there was a lump. And so they followed up immediately with a mammogram, and we identified that Rebecca did have cancer. Rebecca talked about the emotion first of having that message from Dr. Stiefel confirm what she already thought. Dr. Stiefel is their family doc. He often has long conversations with them. They own a farm, and so he's always asking about the animals, and he takes care of both her husband as well as her daughter. And so it was, she got bad news, but she got it from a longtime trusted friend. And I think that that is part of the work that we do here, is really building those relationships. So as we begin to walk these difficult journeys together, you know you've got a whole team around you. And so that's what Dr. Stiefel did. He connected her to our leading edge team, and there she met Dr. Kulkarni, her surgeon. And Dr. Kulkarni was very clear with her. I'm in this with you. We're going to walk together through this, and we're going to get through this together. And Dr. Kulkarni then brought in Dr. Finelli and Dr. Atswani, additional specialists that we have that really are critical to every piece of this equation. And so while it's a lot of doctors that are engaged in this effort, each one of them has their specialty that is critically important for them to be able to work together as a team. And that team approach is really what Rebecca felt. Each one of them had a role in her care and were fully committed to make sure that she got to the point where she is today, which is in remission. And, you know, it's interesting because I think that that strength that she gained from the entire team being with her is part of one of the things that makes it so important that you get to the right team and that you have that relationship that's built both from that primary care physician that you've had such a long time with, and most importantly from that entire team that wraps themselves around you. And so we are very glad to be walking this journey with Rebecca, glad that she's in remission. And it's just another message that right here in your hometowns are all the care that you could possibly need. We thank Rebecca for trusting us with her care, and we thank each of you for the continued commitment that you have to Inspira, and we're honored to care for you. Until we meet again, be well and stay safe.